to be brief, but allow me bring you greetings from the First Lady and Mama, Minister of Education and Sports, who is a minister, praying for you. Bring you greetings from Honorable Peter Ogwang, who wished to be here and couldn't make it because of different schedules. Bring you greetings from the Permanent Secretary, who came and checked on you and was very excited of your performance. Bring you greetings from the entire Ministry of Education and Sports. I want to inform you that we are happy when we see you develop talent. The purpose of this activity is talent identification and development. We know there are new talents that were not developed from. We target to make sure that we have sports for all. And finally, we are doing our best to make sure that we put in discipline in the sports. And that covers all those involved in cheating, those involved in fighting in the pitch, etc. And one of the methods we've used is to do capacity building of the students to learn what the game is all about, such that when they are officiating, they already know, so they don't need to argue as people who do not know. Today is not my day. It is a day for athletes to celebrate their day as achievers. But I want to inform everyone that today, we are not saying that there is a loser here. Each one of you who I know, can you please give her a big hand clap as she comes to speak to us? A big hand clap. DJ, don't you know what you are supposed to do? I see she wants to dance, but you are not even giving her something.
The ASHU commissioners, the host, hosts and gentlemen, good evening. God is good. Good evening. God is good. Congratulations to all of you for participating in this. All of you for participating in this game. Our commissioner, this is a stadium called King George Stadium. You have seen that he has been able to accommodate all of us. But it's not looking beautiful to the national standard. The fact that he has been able to host a national game like this one, I pray that when you go back to the high table, talk to Mama about this stadium. Let this stadium be constructed, be modernized to the national standard that we can be comfortable, all of us, when we are having another game like this one, or even more than this. I would like to say that sports is very important, as all of you know, that through sports, so many people are earning a lot of money. So now that you have started nurturing your talents and identifying, please keep on and keep you were so comfortable and you enjoyed your stay here. And may I take this opportunity to wish you all journey mercies. Thank you very much for listening to me.
Let's just give her a big round of applause.
As we give them a big clap, as they go back, we are now moving towards the end. The climax is now starting to come up. The moment now is for awarding the trophies. Look where the trophies are going. if you are in Tororo here, ask yourself how many trophies have remained here. Now, if none, then cross-check yourself. But I know I saw Bukedi doing very well in athletics. I don't know whether they will win the trophy. I can't tell. Ayub, where is Mr. Ayub?
Yes,
Take
MP.
over, please. Now,
Thank
we
you.
would like to request the following. When you are called to award, let's move as fast as we can so that we save time. This thing should be by 6, the TV will be off. And I don't want any kid to miss being seen on the TV when they are receiving their medals. Ladies and gentlemen, let's roll the ball. Ayub, go on.
Thank you so much. Our MP, Master of Arms, and I would like to begin
Next to you,
to our Muhammad, the Chairman, Ashu Mbari Region, the head teacher, Soronko High School. Mukisa, where's Mukisa? Is Mukisa? Is Kakunguru here? Okay, Captain, you come back and receive the trophy. The Captain.
Captain remain behind to receive the trophy. When Captain remain behind, the captain should remain behind.
Yes, thank you, and thank you so much. The Chairman, Ashu Mbari Region. I would like to invite Mr. Ityang Elsam, the Chairman, Ashu Tororo, the head teacher at USS, to dress the participants for baseball. MVP, baseball, Alema Francis from AVRS MPG.
Please hurry up, Everest. Hurry up.
Behind him, we should have St. Peter's in Zambia in position 3, Meta SS in position 2. And the champions, AVRS MPG, behind them. St. Peter's get on the podium to receive bronze. Meta SS, let's move. Meta SS in position 2. Meta SS in position 2. They receive the silver medal. The champions, let's move. The champions, AVRS MPG.
Those are the champion of baseball. Baseball is a new game we have introduced. It was here as a demonstration, but all the same, we give them medals.
Our softball, we got softball girls. Our softball girls. The MVP, our team Sarah from AVRS. In position 2, we have Money Girls. Money Girls in position 2. Our champions, AVRS MPG again. Let's move, champions, let's move. Are getting on the podium are the champions of softball. AVRS Mpigi. At the next category, we have Baseball 5. And to award this will be Mr. Okuhendera, the Secretary for Health and Education, Tororo District.
So, Okumo, please, would you like to come? Secretary for Health, Tororo District. Mr. Okumo is not around.
I would like to request Madam Abalo Collins, Deputy Teacher Tororo Girls, to step in. Okay, thank you, and thank you so much for the work well done.
Thank you very much.
Madam Abalo Collins, Deputy
Would
Teacher.
you like to come here as fast as you can? Thank you.
Baseball 5 boys. We have Ogwang Pius as the MVP from Kakira. Receiving on behalf of Panyadoli, that is, they're receiving their silver for position 2. The champions baseball 5 is Kakira SS.
Thank you. You can go there for a photo if you want. There.
We go to Ludo.
Please, graceful and give the captain the rest. It's those who are coming, the captain remains behind to receive the trophy. We don't want to call the captain when he's in front.
We move to Ludo girls. And MVP. We have Nuwagava Linet Chivingo girls. Nuwagava Linet are the MVP Ludo girls.
It is not it.
Okay, in position 2 we have Royal College Namgongo. Then behind them the champion for 2025. Quora High School.
Guys, here.
Okay, let's go. Who are these?
Okay, top scorer for Ludo girls, we have Abedekwen Florence from Quora High School. She's receiving the award as top scorer in Ludo. I didn't know that in Ludo we have top scorers. And the champions, let's move. The champions at Quora High School, let's go and receive the medals and the trophy. Ludo boys, MVP, Emwak Titus from Royal College Namgongo. And the top scorer in this category is Wesonga Brian from Magale SS.
Leave the phone, concentrate, the cameras are here. Guys, join the team, join the team. Motivation captain.
In position 2, sorry, in position 3, receiving bronze is Kira College Butiki. Kira College Butiki, let's go. In position 2, we have Royal College Gongo, and the champions are Magere SS Namisindwa. Namisindwa Magera SS. And the champions 2025, Ludo Boys.
It's a mistake.
We move to chess, and to dress the participants will be Madam Ochaga Faith Okong, the head teacher at Rock High School. Head teacher, Rock High School.
Okay, another one. Call another one.
I would like to request Mr. Dominic Malova, the chairperson, bouquet zone.
Dominic, would you like to area, please? Go ahead.
The MVP, chess girls, Atela Patience Angel from Wampe Wontake. In position 3, Mary Hill High School. Let's move behind the MVP. Mary Hill High School. Iganga Girls, move to position 2. Iganga Girls, let's move.
Okay, good. Captain, you'll be around. Shall call you. Go.
Iganga SS. The champions 2025. Chess girls, Wampeo Ntake. I'll move to boys. Chess boys, MVP, Mukundwa Daniel from St. Mary's College, Chisubi.
MVP boys.
Our chess boys, the MVP is Mukundwa Daniel from St. Mary's College, Chisubi. Position 3, Jinja College. Behind Jinja College, we have St. Henry's College, Chitovu in position 2. The champions, St. Mary's College, Chisubi.
Please.
Scrabble girls, please get ready. Scrabble girls. MVP, Scrabble girls. Allow proceed from Reverend Japlan is okay. MVP. In position 3, we have Seroma Christian High School. Receiving silverware is Wampeo Ntake. And the champions for Scrabble girls are Reverend Japlan Isoke. Yes, Alloy Proce takes the MVP for Scrabble girls. Seroma Christian School, move and receive your bronze. Wampe Otake, let's move. Wampe Otake, you move up to receive your...
It's a big celebration in Kidgum. The whole town came to celebrate the
boys.
Okay.
The MVP is Luzira. Awudbo boys, the MVP is Okelo Jimmy from Luzira SS. Position 3, Awudbo boys, Standard Aizana. Standard I Ndeje Campus. In position 2, we have Air Force Secondary School from Entebbe. Champions, Mango Senior School.
Captain remain behind, receive the trophy.
Lacrosse girls, we go to lacrosse girls. MVP, Ijangolet Tracy from Musa High School. That is lacrosse girls. And in position 3, we have Nabisusa girls. In position 2, we have Musa High School.
You are very smart, thank you. Then I want goal. Queen, are you?
Musa receives silver, dressed in red. Then the champions, Bombo Ame Secondary School. Champions for lacrosse girls. Lacrosse boys, outstanding player. MVP lacrosse boys. Tunamasiko Owen, Empower International Act. Is from Empower International Act, the MVP lacrosse boys. Then portion 3, Chigeza High School. Position 2, we have Bombo Ame SS. And the champions for lacrosse boys 2025, receiving gold, Empower International Academy. And next we move to dance sport. And to address the participant to Mr. Owori Moses, the President Rotary Tororo. Mr. Owori Moses, the President Rotary Tororo. Okay, Mr. Bwide Hirare, the EXCOM Uganda Primary School Sports Association, we request you to move forward. I would like to request Mr. Emron Luke, the host teacher, to step in for Mr. Owori Moses. Dance sport girls. Position 3. In this category, the outstanding performance, we have very many and we are already awarded. So we move to the positions of the schools. Position 3, Janan, and the champions, Shema Girls SS.
Yeah, you can see. DJ, you maintain the music for the champion, please. They are going to give us a stroke for 1 minute. Okay, come on, let's go.
We move to rugby, to dance sport, boys. Position 3, Montera High School. Position 2, we have St. Mark's College in Amagoma, and the champions are St. Julian High School, Gayaza. And next is rugby sevens, girls.
DJ, hey, where are you going now? In the middle and the balance. Can you advance a picture? On the edge. The cameras are here.
Are those the champions dance sport? You receive the trophy.
In the middle and the balance.
Akitigum Comprehensive. Akitigum Comprehensive. Champions 2025, Nkoma Secondary School from Bali.
DJ, you have Katodi. If you have Katodi, please do it. Katodi for the champion of Rugby 7 Girls Mbale.
The champions, Rugby 7 Girls 2025, Nkoma Secondary School from Mbale. Rugby Sevens boys, the MVP, Amanya Timothy from Barara High School. In position 3, we have Makerere College School. MVP is Amanya Timothy from Barara High School. Makerere College, you move to receive your bronze. To be dressed in silverware, Barara High School. Yes, our next game is going to be basketball. Under 6.
High profile level. Our chief guest, would you like to come along? Profile level. Our chief guest, would you like to come along with Mr. Poga Crystal again? Mr. Luca Wilfred Okeresian, Reverend Paul Masaba, Mr. Nsoga Mustafa, Sidiao Wanyama, Headmaster of Emergency, our beloved General Secretary Asu, Nabukera Zlaika, Apollo Ariet Kia Nok, Okot Bitek Kia, VP Kia Technical, Madame Aquare Beatrice, our beloved head teacher of Tororo Girls, and of course, all this will be escorted by our beloved Commissioner, Reverend Dr. Mkumia Duncan, Commissioner PS. Please let all of them come here. Well, I've called you so that we minimize time. The Education Secretary, please, Miss your name, Education Secretary Tororo. Commissioner, I will request you to put your visitors here so that we start the function. Archdiocese. I'm sorry. Okay. These are going to give out trophies, and I will start off with basketball under 16 girls. Under 16, and to come to give this one is our Chief James, actually, Adia Kagini. Would you like to come on the board, please? Yes, the chief guest cannot go alone. Go on top there. Yes, something can happen. MVP for this is Anena Jombia, St. Mary's Kitende. Would you like to hurry up? And in the bronze position is Seta Main Campus. Okay, that's our MVP, basketball under 16, Anena Jombia. Thank you very much. Bronze, Seta Main Campus. Move, please. In silver position is Saroma Christian High School. What I've realized here, we don't clap for the champions. It's as if they have done nothing to entertain you. Let's honor them, please. Okay, Seroma in the second position. And the champion. And the champion is none other than St. Mary's Kitende, gold medalist 2025. Okay, let's move, please. Let's move. Champion St. Mary's Kitende, on the podium, please. The captain remained behind to receive the trophy. As the girls finish up there receiving their medals, boys, let's get ready. Ewawu Kenneth, start moving. MVP boys, Ewawu basketball under 16 boys. Ewawu is from Seta High School. Seta High A level, I think. Hey, wait. Campus. That is bronze medalist, Saroma Christian School. In the silver position, Seta High School main campus. And the champion. Now this Seta can confuse you, Seta High School, Seta main campus, green, what? But they are the same Seta, no problem. Okay. That's the champion. The champion is main campus, A-level campus. Okay. I would like to thank our chief guest who has done this job prematurely. Another one is coming. I request the commissioner to take back our guests and rest until we call you again. Now I request Mr. Opoka Christopher, and of course you have your team. How can the entire president stand alone? Impossible. So it means all the ASO moves in. Alima. Okay. Yeah, St. Catherine Anderson is from Kirihura. You know, the headmistress Rugby's. He had a lot of talk to me. That is in that silver medalist Kawempe. Gold medalist 2025, football girls under 16, Rhine Secondary School from Wakiso. So the champion, they had the best goalkeeper, so how could they fail to be champion? Now, the top scorers come. Ladies and gentlemen, our chief guests, I would like to announce the arrival of the top scorer, 11 goals. Nandesa Sarifa, who scored, please, the top scorer, where is it? Please, they are bringing it. You are a very important person.
Rock Sons International.
This is the general himself, DJ Molino. DJ Molino. DJ Molino.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to thank you. We shall again call upon you later. We thank you for that. Now, for the boys, they need a lot of blessing. So, education officer, archdiocese, Tororo, education secretary. Some of these terms confuses me. They move together. I know Eastern also is coming. I know that one is, Masaba, yes. Please, they move together. So, Education Secretary Archdiocese Tororo will award football under 16. The boys need a lot of blessings so that they can grow up good people, and you pray for them. Thank you. MVP, Edema Basil from Kyadondo. MVP, Edema Basil from Kyadondo. Is Edema around? Okay. The MVP is not around. The Golden Glove, Ndaula Imran from Bukedia Complex. The golden glove goes to Ndaula Imran from Bukedia Comprehensive. They are not here. Top scorer, Kabira Joseph, also no. That is golden glove. Ndaula Imran from Bukedia Comprehensive is not here. The teacher is going to take, but it's not yours. Please face the camera. Accuse me, face the camera. Remember, it is not yours. Pass it to the person. MVP has come. MVP, where were you? Edema Basing from Kyadondo. Top scorer is Kabira Joseph from Kyadondo SS2. Is here. More. The bronze goes to Kakungulu High School. They are placed top scorer, MVP, you. Okay. That is Kakungulu High School in the bronze position. Silver positions, Monsen Henry High School, Mukono. Monsen Henry High, Mukono. Let's move, please, let's move. We want to capture time so that the TV covers everything. Gold medal. Silver is St. Henry Mukono. And the gold goes to Kyadondo Secondary School. The champion, please, Kyadondo Secondary School. Okay. Please. Okay, that's Kyadondo receiving their trophy. We'd like to thank you, men of God. Thank you very much for that blessing. They will never forget it. Thank you very much. May I now call upon again Mr. Luca Wilfred Okeresia, Chairman Asul Region, to come back on the stage. Beach soccer. Beach soccer. MVP is from Kawempe Muslim. Now Kenya Agnes from Kawempe. Ladies and gentlemen, we are awarding beach soccer girls. In the bronze position is Standard High Zana. Mukono Kings. While the gold medalists, Kawempe Muslim, start moving slowly. Kawempe Muslim, please start moving. Wait there. Wait. The gold medalist, beach soccer girls, is Kawepe Muslim. Please, Captain, move. Okay. Soccer boys, beach soccer boys. MVP is Sandy Julius Standard High. Sandy Julius Standard High Zana is the MVP. In the bronze position is St. Lawrence Crown City. St. Lawrence, please. In silver medal position is Ntare School. Okay. The gold medalist is Standard High Zana. Gold medalist is Standard High Zana. Let's move, please. Okay. Beach volleyball is next. Standardized, and let's move faster. Captain received a trophy for the whole world to see. Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Opoka. Thank you very much. We move to beach volleyball, girls, and to award this is Reverend Paul Masaba, the Ocean Education Coordinator, Bukedia Tororo. And you know they move as brothers, so this is beach volleyball. But in Tororo you have no beach, but we have created a beach for you, so you can use it to your advantage. Okay. Beach volleyball girls, MVP Amading and Grace Bukedia Comprehensive. Amading, this, please. In the bronze position is Ngora High School. Our chief guest, if I'm not mistaken, Ngora High School will be going to an area in Anoka Games, school Anoka Games. So, but on Tuesday, these guys are going to fly out. So they will they will forget about TESO for some time, look at a new world. That's the beauty of sports. Okay. Is Nora here? Yes, please. Position 2 is Seroma Christian High School. Seroma Christian High School. Seroma Christian High School, position 2. Are they there? I'm finishing the girls. Okay, the gold medalist beach volleyball girls is Bukedia Comprehensive. They are here? Okay, fine. Beach volleyball boys. MVPs are Ina Moti Steven from St. Mary's Rosa. Papa yawa moto no rukaka. Toro. Okay, that is Ina Moti Steven, St. Mary's Rosa, MVP beach volleyball. He's a tall guy, you can see. He deserves it. In the bronze position is St. Mary's College Lusarosa. You're already here, okay? In the silver position is Hilton High School. The gold medalist is Bukeria Comprehensive. I would like to thank you. Wait, okay, move. Okay, leave that trophy high, please. I would like to thank you. Thank you for your blessing, but I also need your blessing. So don't only bless the players, I also need your blessing. Okay, we move to basketball 3-on-3. And to award this is Mr. Nsoga Mustafa, the president of NASOA. NASOA is National Association of Sports Officers. He heads all the sports officers. I hope the sport officer Tororo is here to welcome you. I don't know. MVPs, Nanangwe Resti. The sports officer Tororo, how can your boss be and you are not? The sports officer Kumi is also here. If the sports officer Kumi is here, please also come on the stage. Okay, that is our MVP, Nanangwe Resti. I don't know where from St. Noah. Okay, in the bronze position is Budo SS. That's the sports officer Noah or Tororo? Here. Oh, you are welcome. Thank you for hosting us, sir. Okay. In the silver position is St. Mary's Kitende. Silver position, St. Mary's Kitende. They are not there? Okay, no, they are there. She's coming. That is St. Mary's Kitende, silver position. Gold medalist 2025, St. Noah's Girl. That is a gold medalist 2025. We move to basketball 3-on-3 boys. MVP William Mobo. MVP William Mabo. If you want to compare your height, look here. Mr. Emerald, you think you are tall? I don't think so. These are different guys altogether. That is the MVP. Which school? It wasn't written. Amus. Oh, Amus. From Amus. In the bronze position is St. Cyprian High Kiabakade. Okay. In the silver position is Budo SS. Yeah, Budo going. Gold medalist, Amus College. Okay, we now move to handball. May I call Mr. Sidia Wanyama, the headmaster of Majasi High? Sidia Wanyama, the headmaster of Majasi High, please. Okay. Now, in the absence of, I know he will join us, may I now request the General Secretary, ASU, to come and preside over. You are going to stand because you are two in one. Yeah. Handball girls, MVP Nandera Awa from Kibuli SS. Nandera, please, would you like to move a bit faster if you are here? That's very good. Okay, that's the MVP. Now, in the bronze position is Mbogo High. Mbogo High can move in. You are very smart. Thank you. Yes, that's how it should be. In the silver position is Gombe SS. Gombe SS, please. Okay. Gombe SS, let's move. Gold medalist Kibuli SS. Gold medalist Kibuli SS. He move like gold medalist. Yes. I know you are going to get tired, but I'm going to give you an assistant. Okay. That is Kibuli SS. May I request Reverend Father William Ojulo, the chaplain St. Peter's College, Tororo, someone who has been praying for us in every morning you go, you find him in the... Okay, handball boys, most valuable player Katosigie Jackson, Wampe Ontake from Ontake. Katosigie Jackson. Get on the podium, please. That is most valuable player. Okay. So you have started on very well. Okay. In the bronze position is Mbogo mixed. Very smart, very smart. Thank you. Bombo Ame also prepare to come in, silver medalist. Gold medalist. Wampeo Ntake, gold medalist 2025, handball. Please, let's move. Captain remain behind to receive the trophy. Thank you very much, but please remain there. Okay, volleyball. Volleyball girls. Madam General Secretary, remain there. Lift it up high. Lift it high. So you remain there and admire how others are receiving. But maybe next time you will do it. Most valuable prayer football from Bukedia Comprehensive. Now take a place. In the bronze position is Amos College. Amos College, bronze position. Okay. In the silver position is St. Elizabeth. St. Elizabeth, I think it's from Mbarara. The champion is Bukedia Comprehensive. Bukedia Comprehensive. St. Elizabeth is not there, so keep their medals, please. Bukedia Comprehensive are the gold medalists 2025. Okay, we move to the boys. Captain, receive the trophy, lift it high. MVP volleyball boys. MVP volleyball boys is Opoya William from Namgongo Secondary and Vocational School. Our chief guest, this Namugongo went to Serbia. They beat all the teams. They were number 8. They are very good. Serbia was a world school volleyball championship. So I'm not surprised that they're number 1 here. They have a lot of experience. That's Opoya receiving his MVP. In the bronze position is Bukedia Comprehensive. Bukedia Comprehensive. Hey, wait, no. It is Stiza, okay? Stiza in the bronze position. In the silver position is Bukedia Comprehensive. I apologize, Bukedia. Okay? Let's move, please. Gold medalist. Gold medalist is none other than Namugongo Secondary and Vocational School. We are happy to see you back. Last year we were not there. I don't know what happened. Is there anyone who was in Serbia with me? You are the one? We had good time. Okay. Okay, we move to football. CAF under 15 boys. No, CAF under 15 girls. CAF under 15 girls, and to give out this is Madame Upload Irene here, National Organizing Committee. Is Saint Noah, is Bukedia Comprehensive. In the bronze position is Bukedia Comprehensive. They are here. Thank you for being around. Very good. But VP2, how come you are president? Stand up. Okay. Silver position is St. Noah Girls. St. Noah Girls. They are not there, keep their medals. And gold medalist 2025 is Kawempe Muslim School. Our chief guest, under 15 cup is not ordinary. These people, when they go out to play, they get money. And I think this big money, you are talking of $300,000, 200. $200,000 and $150,000. So they're already spelling money. And already this company, they spell money. How much? $250,000. Amusa, they have just got a bus. They went and they have a bus. Sentinel also have a bus. So it is not ordinary here. These are classic. Okay. We go to the boys. So, and because it's God's way, God saw it fit. And because it's God's way, God saw it fit to make him the most valuable player. That is from God's Way School, Kagwa Amza. Golden Glove goes to Severi Imran St. Mary's Kitende. The man saved a lot of penalties. How many penalties did you save? 3 consecutively. You are good. Top scorer is Mukisa Owen from Budo SS. Top scorer. Is Budo here? Okay. Anyone from Budo can come and pick it. Gold medalist. That was bronze. Ladies and gentlemen, we are moving towards the end. We had over 45 trophies to give out. Gold medalist 2025, CAF under 15 is St. Mary's Kitende. That's a gold medalist. Okay, next is netball. Thank you very much, VPs. You have done a good job, thank you. I hope you will be the team manager next time. Okay, netball. We would like to invite Madame Aquare Beatrice. There was another name we had. Lumonia, the headmistress of Tororo girls. You hosted these girls. They were really many. You deserve to give out these awards. Most valuable player, netballer is Alwo Rosemary from Hamadan Islamic. You play center position. Center. Center. Yeah, I can see. In the bronze position, netball is Hamadan Islamic. Hamadan Islamic, you are very smart. And since you have qualified for Fiasa, those Kenyans will test. Okay. Silver position. Silver position is St. Mary's Kitende. St. Mary's Kitende, silver position. Where are they? I'm seeing some of them coming. They come, they go back. Okay, gold medalist, Budo Secondary School. Okay. Individual activities. Okay. Cross country. Cross country.
Rock Songs International.
This is the general himself, DJ Molino. DJ Molino. DJ Molino.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now we move to athletics. And we start with thank you very much. Now, all teams that have got trophies, don't go. We shall need you here. Cross country, women. Here we don't say girls, we say women in athletics. In the third position is Busoga. In the third position is Busoga, Captain Busoga, cross country. Be here, please. Busoga got 49 points. In the second, with 46 points in second position. Okay, please move. Okay, please move. Let them move. Bugisu is not here. Okay, you move there for a photo. Then champion 2025 with 10 points is Sebei. Captain Sebei, please. Sebei, you give us the music. DJ, you give us the music of Sebei. Of Sebei. Very good, thank you very much. Get your trophy and enjoy it. Get your trophy and enjoy it. We move to men. 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 In the third position is Wakiso with 64 points. They tie along with Ankole. Okay? Please, you come here and you greet these people. That's why they are here. Anyway, the champion 2025 men is Sebei with 13 points. Sebei, please. Men Sebei. Where is the music? Okay, now we move track and field. Track and field. Here our chief guest, a school, a participant can score for the school, will score for the district, will score for the zone. The whole idea is to encourage schools to do what? To groom up athletes. That's why we have variety here. Schools women. In the third position is Sacred Heart from Guru with 45 points. Gombe SS from Butambala with 59 points. And Millennium Universal College is the champion with 61 points. The trophy, unfortunately, is for the district, zone, and the national, so they don't get trophy. Okay? The school don't get trophy, but I don't know why. Okay. No, they just greet them. They greet them. Men. Masindi Army in third position with 23 points. That is Masindi Army SS with 23 points. Millennium Universal College with 31 points. And the champion is Gombe SS. That was called main. District. Okay. Women. Kitgum and Butambala tie with 71 points. The champion 2025 women is Tororo with 87 points.
Rock Sounds International.
Tororo district come for your trophy. I don't know whether the captain or the DJ. Yes, I said it, girl.
This Tororo General himself, DJ Molino.
Okay.
Rock Sounds International.
Let's move. That is Tororo. Hey, why don't you give them a longer music? I don't get it. We got Tororo here. Okay, DJ, thank you. Men district. In the third position is Wakiso with 48 points. In the second position is Tororo with 49 points. And the champion. DJ, we're on another step altogether. Thank you. Now, you can look for this song if you have it. In the third position is Wakiso. Second position is Tororo with 49 points. And the champion is Gulu City with 53 points. The medals are got from the podium. We don't give them here from the podium. The champion is Gulu with 53 points. DJ, do you have for Gulu? DJ, play your music. DJ, thank you very much. Thank you, actually. We go to the zones. We go to the zones, women. In the third position, there is a tie. Hey, DJ, are you from Acholi? Okay. In the third position, there is a tie. We have Sebei with 97 points. We have Mpigi with 97 points. In the second position, I think the zone we at Tororo belong to this zone. Bukedi with 120 points. And the champion is Acholi with 173 points. Please, Captain, come and receive your trophy for the zone. The zonal chairperson, Acholi, come and receive the trophy, please. For the girls. These are girls. Okay. Move with your thing. Please. Be near for the last ceremony. If you have got a trophy, be near for the last ceremony. All the trophies. Okay. Okay. Before I go to the zones, boys. Oh, sorry, men. Before I go to the zone, men. There is a correction here. Let's go back to schools. Millennium was the champion. Women with 61 points, come and receive your trophy. Millennium. Where is Millennium? Millennium.
Rock Sounds International.
Is Millennium Universal School around? You are the one? Yes. Okay. Receive your trophy. Congratulations. Okay. Then schools men, Gombe SS. Gombe SS, please receive your trophy. DJ, you will play your music until morning if you want. Okay, we go to the main zone. Main zones. Bukedi with 91 points in the third position. Sebe with 99 points in the second position. Acholi with 143 points in the first position. Please, announcement, come and receive the trophy. The overall result for athletics. I would like to thank our guest, especially our chief guest, for allowing and for accepting to stand for this whole time. And even my commissioner, I thank you for being really a good motivator. Because if he had shied away by standing down, all of them would have said, after all, the honor is even sitting, what about us? So I thank you very well. Then I would also like to thank the community of Tororo. I will never... You are really wonderful. You can see how many you are. You have given us the best company we have ever had. Thank you very much. With that, I would like to read the overall results on the track. You know, athletic is a big thing. Whether in Olympics, it ends. It is the track which comes first. In the third position, overall, is Sebe with 100. Coach, please. These are champion of the champions. You go behind if you want to be there. Aha, very good. Okay. No. You go. This was supposed to be what? Come in front. You come in front. Okay. We want to know. Remain there. Okay. Okay. We can now start the champion. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Thank you for coming. I wish you the best until we meet next year. We don't know where we shall be, but wherever we shall be, we shall remember you. Thank you very much, DJ. Thank you, cameraman, Popa TV. Thank you, everyone.
Rock Sounds International.
Orwa mkaga
Avonu Gomani, over Radio Wesekwe Muchemyaka Benamukaga, Ombuhereza, Tukutebekarisize embaga y'omwaka, ey'ekiriro Mirankwongere.
Bim! Muri bulunjo banga muri bubi. Tuli bulunja bakazi batubye. Muri reje ninga marire kubi. Bim! Shukrani msidio kwa Santebiro Abenamukaga nza kwa ndio mchayi kacheka omukinihiro Mirankwongere okutangulira guri omuto gumegonka mwije mwena tutere vibes on vibes. You know what it is? Bim!
Yekire kirihiro Mirankwongere Abenamukaga opejo ko kwa mushanju. Otaferwa ntongo. Aho tigabitira abashonga ziringi abashonga bari omukinihiro entongo ziryaho entongo kumene Abenamukaga entongo Abenamukaga abashonga Abenamukaga otaferwa kinihiro Mirankwongere no kumira wacha
Izomukiniro Mirankwongere osibe no shayaya n'abahereza ba Radio West bishagikirwe.
Orwo kubanza
amezi ko uri kuganywa gakayambo mubiri kubasa kutwara yiki kiri kwitinga mu ngingo buriza letero kushasha
yego
ogomokire kunka turi kumiki kugomoire kuri kutanywire mizi ibyo kubiri ibintu ga bitatanuge kuri kubutafutine bihande bikarugamwe ibirisa ibyo bihande nibyo birarugemo ibishasho konka ko uri kuba uri kunywa mizi kandi uri kurya zamboga cyo kubazana uje kufutana n'ibinoga icyakabiri uje kuba oyine imikambi irashohoze cyo kitakora n'ubyo kubirye bihande ntabwo ico ubwo muco wanu nagu bucendere unyomeze.
Okay.
Buri mwaka mwana no
Avon Gomani obo radio wese kwe mu myaka 26 ombuhereza tukutebekanisize embaga yo mwaka eyekiriyo mirakongere.
Enjoy your money and Radio West ekutusako David Tutalo nyange ngenda kubeerayo nnyo mu kinihiro mirankongere anti nga biri mu mukaaga endonge genda kaba wabayimbi banji nnyo kigenda kubeera kikambwe nnyo ndongo ku ndongo lukoba ku lukoba David
umwe izo mu kinihiro mirakongere osibe no shayaya n'abahereza ba Radio West bishagikirwe
Orwa mkaga
This function is about looking back at the past, enjoying the present, and looking to the future. Most important, however, is to celebrate the success story of this school, of Junior High School, since its inception, opened in 2000.
Junior High School, out of the 4,000 plus schools in the whole country, was the 79th. And that we don't take for granted.
I have heard how they have excelled both in the academics, in sports, especially ladies, girls.